while intoxicated third or more, that's a third-degree felony. There's to be a UA today. And if she's positive,
I just got paid on Friday, but I was telling my attorney there was a little bit of a dilemma when I was taking the bus back. I lost my credit card, so I have this check saying that I just got paid, basically. And I was trying to make a payment, but like I said, with the GPS and everything, they don't let me leave on Saturday or Sunday. So I was just wanting to make a payment, but I haven't. And I have it right here that I can make a payment today.
okay. If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? And know that you will have a drug test today.
Yes, you should come back, Shane.
Why do you say it should come back? Calling 2022 CR 7545, State of Texas versus Alejandra Almazan. Thank you. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Brittany Clark.
Defense.
Ed Garza for Ms. Almazan.
And are you Miss Almazan?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, I'm showing you the discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Correct.
We did, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Miss, I'm showing you what's entitled application for community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Correct, Your Honor.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge.
Next, I'm going to show you what's entitled court admonishments and defendants waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated third or more? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Off the record. All right, everyone who's behind the court reporter can't talk behind the court reporter because she can't hear. We're back on the record. Did you understand if you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Sir.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes,
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
she does.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Alamanza, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishments be assessed at 6 years in the prison. There's a $1,000 fine. State recommends community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
It is, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Judge.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. State is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 6 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 150 hours community service restitution, the DWI intervention course, VIP live, ignition interlock for half the term, 2 years Texas driver's license suspension, and 10 days in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offense as charged and the indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
Yes, Judge. States Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
Any objection?
No objection.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled waiving consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yeah, we'd ask the court to follow the plea agreement. And I just have a couple of real quick issues if I could take it with the court. My
Yes.
client is presently under the GPS monitor.
Mhm.
She's asked me to ask the court if it's possible for her to be taken off of it at this time now, that she's going to be placed on probation. And also, and for the reason that she has 2 small children, there's a lot of doctor's appointments that she needs to go to and whatever. And sometimes she has a difficult time trying to get excused or to go out and take care of these matters. Also, Judge, insofar as the 10 days are concerned, she served about 90 days in jail before she bonded out. I'd ask the court to take those into consideration.
All right. Are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I verify loans. I just got paid on Friday, but I was telling my attorney there was a little bit of a dilemma when I was taking the bus back. I lost my credit card, so I have this check saying that I just got paid basically. And I was trying to make a payment, but like I said, with the GPS and everything, they don't let me leave on Saturday or Sunday. So I was just wanting to make a payment, but I haven't. And I have it right here that I can make a payment today.
If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? And know that you will have a drug test today.
Yes, it should come back clean.
Why do you say it should come back clean?
Oh, it will.
Okay. You're going to do a drug test today. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 6 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 6 years. There's a $1,000 fine to be probated, parenting classes, and that will be with Triple T. 150 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. The court is not requiring you to get it, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. Parenting classes, proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider with minors. DWI intervention, VIP live, ignition interlock for half the term. 2 years Texas driver's license suspension. There's to be 30 days GPS tracking in lieu of the 10 days in the Bexar County Jail. I'm sorry, with regards to GPS probation, she's going to be on 30 days on GPS, but she's allowed employment in whatever medical she has with her children.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So that's 30 days GPS, excused for employment and medical appointments. There's to be a UA today. And if she's positive, then do a TAP evaluation. And if the TAP evaluation recommends inpatient treatment, I'm going to want intensive outpatient treatment. I'm going to want sober meetings at least 2 times per week. Field visits 2 times per month. And there's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. And we'll do the UA here. Is there anything else she needs probation?
Or after the urinalysis here, how often would you like to wait?
After the UA here, I'm going to want random UAs. All right, is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, other than, like you said, if I need that outpatient treatment, I would do anything to do that.
Well, do you need outpatient treatment?
To be honest, yes. I think I should do like meetings and everything. So I would just like to get help with that or with the counselor.
Okay.
And
They will help you with that. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
yes, sir.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you. You have a good one.
Thank you, you too. Court is calling 2020